As video consumption continues to rise, publishers have a golden opportunity to increase revenue by integrating in-stream video ads. But how can you do it right, and what differentiates various in-stream formats? Let's explore how you can optimize your video advertising strategy to unlock greater engagement and revenue streams. In-stream video ads are directly integrated into video content, offering a chance to engage viewers at different stages of their journey. Whether it's through pre-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll ads, publishers can seamlessly insert ads into content that their audience already finds valuable. Let's take a closer look at each in-stream ad type. Pre-roll ads capture viewer attention at the very start of the video, making them highly impactful for building brand awareness. Mid-roll ads, much like traditional TV commercials, are inserted during natural breaks in longer video content, maintaining user engagement throughout. Post-roll ads offer a great way to leave viewers with a lasting impression after they've finished watching their selected content. Beyond in-stream ads, other video ad formats, especially for mobile apps and gaming environments, include rewarded and in-game playable ads. These ads offer users incentives such as in-game currency or interactive experiences in exchange for their attention. It's a win-win situation. Users receive value, and advertisers benefit from higher engagement and conversion rates. For publishers, the rise of programmatic video ads primarily means increased revenue. By automating the ad buying process and matching relevant ads to your audience in real time, programmatic advertising helps maximize the value of your inventory. Detailed demographic insights help advertisers target their ideal audience more effectively, which in turn increases the demand for your ad space. To ensure your in-stream video ad strategy aligns with Google's current policies, let's cover a few key guidelines and best practices. Autoplay and sound restrictions. In-stream ads are permitted to autoplay, but they must follow specific rules. For instance, only one video ad with sound should autoplay at a time on the page. Additionally, an ad should not begin playing until at least 50% of its unit is visible to the user. These restrictions help reduce user frustration while staying compliant with Google's policies. Ad placement and viewability. Proper placement is crucial to maintaining a positive user experience. Mid-roll ads should only be used in longer content, where there's a natural break. Post-roll ads, on the other hand, can be less intrusive as they appear after the main content has concluded. Be cautious not to overuse these placements, as that can reduce ad viewability and negatively affect user engagement. Skip options and user controls. Google mandates that all ads respect user preferences. While non-skippable ads are permissible in certain contexts, they should be used sparingly. Skippable in-stream video ads must always provide a dismiss option after 5 seconds. And user controls like play, pause, and mute should remain functional. Ensuring these features enhances the user experience and helps maintain compliance with Google's guidelines. Ad formats and load times. When experimenting with various in-stream video ad formats, be mindful of their effect on page performance. Google emphasizes that ads should not excessively impact load times, so optimizing for speed is critical. Slow loading ads can drive users away and hinder ad performance. No muted audio ads in in-stream placements. For in-stream ads, Google prohibits muted audio ads. When users engage with an in-stream video ad, they should experience both visual and audio components, as this enhances ad performance and boosts engagement. By adhering to these best practices, you can ensure your in-stream video ad strategies not only comply with Google's policies, but also deliver a seamless user experience and drive better results. We hope you found this video helpful. Let us know your experience with in-stream video ads in the comments. Bye, and see you next time.